Canva tip. When I started designing in Canva, one of the things I struggled with the most was being able to select elements I have at the bottom. And if I say at the bottom, I get to stack up the elements. So once I want to select an element I've already placed behind, it was always difficult. And now I'm so happy to say that that isn't going to be the case anymore, because Canva has now introduced layers, which I love so much. When I heard about it, I was like, this is mind blowing. But let's see how we can start using layers in Canva. Looking at this design, you see that there are so elements I have in here, and trying to select the element behind can be an issue. But that's not the case anymore. What we can simply do is right click on any element at all, and you see layer. Make sure you are coming to show layers, and Canva should do the magic. So over here you can see we have a number of layers in here, and every element we have on our design has been displayed according to how they've been layered. So we have from the background all the way to the top, which is the text. But let's say I wanted to select the flowers over here. What I can do is I can simply scroll down and select it, and you can see that we have it selected over here. Now if I want to do any edit to it, I can just activate Canva Assistant and apply any edit at all I want to put on my image. And this is very easy and simple. This is so beautiful. I actually love the layers feature now in Canva, and let me know what you think about it. Is this something you are going to be using, or it's just one of those things? Let me know. And if you love this video, double tap for more.